Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom across the globe. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, your uncompromising voice for truth, justice, and liberation. This marks a pivotal moment in the global stance against both the Nigeria Christian genocide and terror in West Africa.
Breaking news, Kwara traditional ruler. 6 others escaped from bandits' den. According to Channels TV, the bandits had earlier demanded 150 million naira from the community before the traditional ruler could be freed. The abducted traditional ruler, Ojibara of Bayagan in Iflodun local government area of Kwara State, Kamilu Salami, and 6 others have escaped from the grip of bandits. Advertisement. Credible sources from the community said that the traditional ruler and 6 other abductees from the neighboring community were able to escape following a vicious attack launched on the bandits by the vigilantes who flooded the forests. The vigilante team launched an attack on the bandits deep in the forests and engaged them in a fierce battle around the Idaji area, close to Igbaja. Although the Baal and the 6 other escapees are yet to arrive in the community, they have made contact with members of the community who confirmed what happened, the source said. The bandits had earlier demanded 150 million naira from the community before the traditional ruler could be freed. It was gathered on Sunday morning that the bandits spoke with the community in the wee hours of today to demand the amount. Oba Ojibara was asked by the bandits to speak with members of his community for them to believe he was in their custody. It was reliably gathered that the monarch, in his lamentations, urged the community to come to his rescue by negotiating with the bandits for his quick release. Advertisement. He said they took him on the motorcycle in the thick forest for more than 5 hours before they arrived at their destination, where they were communicating with the community. The monarch reportedly told members of his community that an unspecified number of people were also abducted in the neighboring community while he was being taken away. Bayagan is a big community in the Iflodun local government area of Kwara State. The monarch was kidnapped by a gang of bandits who stormed his farm with AK-47 rifles on Saturday.
Every Yoruba person supporting Fulani, you are setting up yourself to become like the Hausa people. Remember when Hausa was supporting Fulani? We are Hausa Fulani, we are Hausa Fulani. Where are the Hausa people today? I ask you. Fulani have completely overwhelmed them. It's called emasculation. Completely emasculated them. Something is going to happen to you. Traitors, saboteurs in your midst, they will promise them heaven and earth. They will give them anything they ask for in order to ensure that they get into you, they subjugate you. Now they have left the Lauren, having taken a Lauren and taken it to Sokoto. They now want to come into Oyo. They want to come into Ondo. Once they take over all those places, it's over for the Yoruba race. Over for you. By the time the Fulanis are done with you, believe you me, if you don't rise up now to fight for your freedom, by the time Fulanis are done with you, you'll be more useless than a Hausa peasant doing Babiala somewhere in Zaria. That is the future that awaits you. Now, our people must understand this very clearly, especially my Yoruba brothers and sisters. It is about time you stop supporting evil. The crimes you have in the north, the insecurity you have in the north is as a direct consequence of their own action. They groomed them. Al-Qaeda in the Maghreb, ISIS in West Africa, Boko Haram, Fulani headsmen, bandits, all of them. Who brought them to Nigeria? It's Fulani. Fulani brought them into Nigeria. El Rufai brought them in. Bauchi State Governor brought them in. Are you people deaf and dumb and stupid?
Just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.